Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Welcome to Millennium Cricket League, F40 League Division B clash, where the gritty junior Black Caps faced the resolute Fate CC in a low-scoring thriller.
And what an intense drama it was, with the stage set for an encounter that promised to test the mettle of both squads, encapsulating the essence of cricket.
A tip of the hat to our event advertisers for supporting a nail-biter today. Your backing made every delivery count.
Divgen Pharmaceuticals has shown that an alliance with them is akin to constructing a steadfast opening duo, while Faith Home Healthcare has proven to be as comprehensive and precise as a well-executed Yorker.
The junior Black Caps, winning the toss and taking to the crease, stumbled as Fate CC's bowlers sliced through their ranks, skittling them out for a paltry 87, with extras topping the charts as the second highest contributor.
Fate CC's chase was tactical and measured. Despite early jitters, they anchored their innings on key partnerships, steadily charting a course to victory, with the team serving up a captivating underdog tale.
The Black Caps' innings was a slow burn, with Shubh Singh's valiant 34 the only beacon in a sea of single-digit scores, as Fate's bowlers spun a web around them.
Fate's bowlers, notably Dharmesh Rupadia and Nick Patel, turned the screws, combining tight lines with lethal precision to initiate an unstoppable collapse.
Fate's march to victory was a story of calm resolve, as Yash Patel's composed 32 steadied the ship after initial setbacks, guiding them towards the target.
The Black Caps fought back, Junaid and Rajagopal giving nothing away, but the Fate batsmen adjusted sails, with Harsh Maniyar's quick-fire 22 not out providing the final impetus.
Harsh Maniyar's cameo and Dharmesh Rupadia's triple strike stood out as match-defining performances, steering Fate CC through choppy waters to safe harbour.
Absolutely, the finesse of Rupadia, coupled with Maniyar's whirlwind knock, was the duo that dismantled the opposition, scripting the story of a triumphant chase.
The curtains fell with Fate CC securing a 6-wicket win, their tactical approach and disciplined bowling proving too much for the Black Caps.
It was a display of tenacity by Fate CC, an outcome that reverberated with strategic mastery and the will to capitalize on every moment. The players conjured performances reminiscent of cricketing legends, laying down a marker for future encounters and setting a narrative of resilience and determination.
As we bid adieu to today's spectacle, one cannot help but marvel at Fate CC's commitment to victory, a story that will inspire and echo through the MCL.